Let me show you how to customize your Adminify WordPress plugin to customize your WordPress dashboard. So let's go do this right now. What's up, everyone? So I know a lot of potential users want to change the backend of the WordPress look, especially when you have clients logging into the backend of WordPress. Maybe you don't want them to know it's WordPress. Maybe you want to hide some features, modify them, add your logo, etc. It is possible using WP Adminify. So in this case, I'm going to show you how to set it up. So I already have it installed here on my WordPress site, and all I've done is install the plugin, and I haven't started the setup guide. So that's what I want to show you right now. Now, before we start this setup, I want to show you the sponsor for this video, which is Hostinger. They have really affordable shared hosting plans that you really want to check out. The link we provided in the description. Now, if you want to check them out, go to hosting, web hosting, and you're going to find their shared hosting plans. My recommended one is Cloud Startup, but if you want to go for a affordable alternative, use the business one. I use Cloud Startup because it has dedicated IP, which is great for me. Now, let me show you how you can get this one with a lower price. Once you're here, you're going to be asked how many months do you want to pay in advance. I recommend 48 months. You lock in the lowest price, lowest renewal price, plus you're good to go for 48 months. Now, right now, the price is $479, but if you use my coupon code Saas Master and apply it, the price is going to drop to $431.57. So if you plan to grab a hosting plan, use my coupon code. Now, for the setup guide for Minify. So we're going to get started and we're going to go, let's go. You can go ahead and skip this and do it manually, but this is the best way to do it because it's super easy to get started. Now, first off, we're going to be asked what modules do we want to enable or disable. By default, the default one is WordPress, but we want to actually use the whole power. We want to use the WP Adminify. So enable this. And you want to enable these features, folders, login customizers, admin columns, etc. We're going to keep them all on because I want to show you. Okay, so we're going to continue. Here we go. Do you want to use dark mode? In my case, I like dark mode. Maybe you don't. In this case, I'll enable it. My logo right here, it's going to be image or text. In this case, I'll just say text right now because I am using this for testing purposes. Saas Master, admin footer text, websites. Go ahead and continue. Then the menu type, vertical menu or horizontal menu. I'll use the vertical one. Sub menu style, classic, accordion. I'll use accordion. Active menu style, classic or rounded. I'll use rounded because I think that looks better. So then continue. The admin bar. Do you want to use WP Adminify menu? Yes. Search form? Yes. We'll leave all these on. We're going to leave the option to enable light or dark mode. If not, go ahead and take this off. Go ahead and continue. Now for the tweaks, remove generator version. Yes. Remove version from style and scripts. Yes, we don't want that there. Dash icons, short links, canonical URL, disable XML. If you're not going to use this, disable it, especially for security purposes. We'll leave the rest on. But again, if you want to remove these for security purposes, do so. Okay. Go ahead and continue. Now the admin notice, remove welcome panel. Maybe yes. Remove try Gutenberg panel. Yes. And yes. We'll remove both of these. Let's go next. Let's go to our new dashboard. Now, before it would be a classic dashboard, remember? So you would view WordPress over here. You would definitely know it's WordPress. Now, in this case, we have a whole bunch of settings that we can tweak, all right? Now, let me go ahead and add my license really quickly here. Here we go. I just updated my license and it made automatically some tweaks because I'm using Ocean WP for this plugin. So do I want to update? Allow? We're going to skip that for now. Let's go back here. And we have all the options. First, some of them that we saw on the main setup and some that are additional that are more advanced. So for example, for the modules, if we like to disable these, we can do so from here. We can customize again if we want to change colors and styles. Maybe that looks too plain. We want to go to some bluish there. The body style, the body background style, etc. The dark light mode, the admin folders, if you want to enable some of these features or not. The admin settings, the admin bar, the tweaks. So here we go, a lot of settings. And then you have your white label settings, remember, where we changed everything. So menu label, we don't want to say WP Adminify. We want to say Saas Master, for example. The plugin URL for this plugin that I've installed, we're going to go add my link, saasmaster.net, and just change everything up here so it doesn't say Adminify, all right? Just saying themes, we can add a logo here. In this case, I'll leave it as it is right now. And we have the description for this particular plugin. So that means that if I go to plugins, I didn't change anything right now, but if I go to plugins, we're going to be able right now to view WP Adminify. But if I switch all that up, that's going to be removed. So it wouldn't say WP Adminify. It would say Saas Master. It would have my details here, my version, etc. All because I've set it up with WP Adminify. So it's a really great option to customize your backend of WordPress. So if you want to check it out, the link we provided in the description. And if you plan to grab a shared hosting plan, use my coupon code. And that's a wrap for Adminify setup.